There's work that keeps the world running. Work that never makes headlines, never gets applause. But the moment it stops, everything stops. For a long time, one team held all of it. What if they didn't have to anymore? Not because the work disappeared, but because someone showed up to share it. Someone who remembered everything, never wore out, and was always already there. This is what it looks like when a team gets a workforce behind them, when the weight gets distributed, when the people who've been holding it all finally get their hands free for the work that only they can do, the call that needs a human voice, the decision that needs a human gut, the moment that needs a human heart. Every generation found a new way to work. This is ours. AI Workforce by Atomicwork.